My name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you the live preview feature. At the top, you can see the button Preview. I click on it and then I will need to enter my login information. Here, I see how my application will look for the user. Now I will go back to show you what happens when changes are made. So I'll go to the designer, click on an element, for example, the customer's label, and then go to the edit pencil to change my label to Customer ABC. Then I'll go back to the live preview and I can see in real time the changes I have made. This is why we call it a live preview, so I can make changes and see how they look in the application immediately. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.